Welcome on this quick start tutorial on how to set up ATON framework and have it up and running on your Windows system, your laptop, computer, museum kiosk, or even server. Okay, so the very first step is we need to install Node.js for Windows. In this case, you can just download the package from the official website. It's a step-by-step installation, so it's quite easy. So once we install Node.js, we can download the ATON framework from the official GitHub. In this case, you can grab the zip package or use Git. We just extracted zip package here. You can just rename to simply ATON. So here is the ATON folder. You can download wherever you want, on your desktop or your personal folder. It doesn't matter. Now we can just launch the update routine. This will take care of downloading all the node modules required for ATON services. Okay, so as you can see, now we have a node modules folder here. In order to launch the entire framework, we just simply launch the quick start routine here. And as you can see, the framework is up and running on our system. So we can open the first link here if we don't have any kind of internet connection to check that everything is working fine, or if we are connected to a local network or internet, you can use the last link to allow other people, other devices to access our ATON instance on this machine. We can check that everything is okay by opening one of the samples. So that's it.